Notability is an app on the iPad. Looks like this blue squarish thing with a pencil. This is a digital way to take notes and create lessons. You can connect it to your iCloud account and then it will back up and save everything just like Google does. If not, it just saves right on your iPad. So to do that, you'd need to go into the settings down here and sign into your iCloud account. If this is something you're going to use frequently, this might not be a bad idea. You can even create an Apple ID that's not connected to school. This way it backs your things up. So know that if you create things on here in Notability, it doesn't automatically back them up. So if your coffee spilled on your iPad, not that that's happened to me, and you need a different iPad, or it falls and breaks, your data's gone. If you sign into iCloud, you're okay. So let's look at 2 ways to use this. I can come down and create a new note. And any pictures I take with my camera on my iPad, I can bring into here. So I'm going to hop out for a second. Now I could have taken the picture right within the app and I chose not to. But let's say I want to use this in my lesson. I can take a picture of it and it goes in my photos. So then when I come back in Notability, I have some tools at the top, but the one we're going to go to is the plus. So with the plus tool, I can go to my library. I can find what I just took a picture of, and I can add it. Then I'm going to use my 2 fingers and just kind of make this a larger image. And then when I'm teaching, if this was something I needed to annotate, I have a text tool at the top. I have a pen tool, a highlighter, an eraser, and a lasso, and a laser pointer. So if I wanted to say, okay, this is an Ozobot lesson, and we want to know how to change the speed, I'm going to draw your attention there. And if that's too thick, if you press and hold on the tool, you can change the thickness of your highlighter or your pen. And here's color or cool moves, timers. Oh, let's take a look at the direction. I can use the laser pointer. So with iPad and Apple TV, this might be a neat way to present. You could even build your lessons ahead of time. So you could build folders with your lessons in them. So by taking a picture in my note and hitting the plus, I can bring in anything that I have a photo of. The document scan is nice too because that just gives you a crisper picture. All right, so now let's say I'm out on the internet and I'm looking for something and I just grabbed a random worksheet. All right, so this is a PDF. So if you want to search for PDFs or worksheets, you can do that. Click the Share button and then send it right to Notability. It's going to ask me if I want to create a new note, add it to a previous note. I can pick the note title, what folder I put it in. I'm just going to say import. So when I go back into Notability, I'm going to come back to my arrow. I'm going to see that my note was added. Actually, that's not it. It was under unfiled. So there it is. And then I have access to my tools up here for writing purposes. The lasso is kind of neat because they can lasso anything they write. You can do the same and move it around. So this is just another avenue. You may have a system that works well for you, but just note that Notability exists. And again, I cannot encourage strongly enough doing connecting an iCloud account just so you don't lose your content. Again, and if you have any questions, I'm here for you.